Bada Business, an initiative by Dr. Vivek Bindra. Increase plant output by zero defect manufacturing. Improve quality and cost, boost volume, enhance customer satisfaction. Bada Business, an initiative by Dr. Vivek Bindra. Are these challenges slowing your growth? Increase in defects, unable to forecast demand, skilled labor shortage, lower plant output than capacity, increased wastage during production, implementing new technology. What will you learn? Decreasing your downtime, enhance output, finding the right inventory balance, know your profits, project management, techniques to improve quality and reduce cost, budgeting and forecasting, supply chain management, managing and reducing your loans, business growth in international markets, techniques for expiry management, how to scale your retail business, how to enter the franchisee business, new trends in retail. What will you get? 25 plus courses, 550 plus video library, 1000 plus reading material and assessments, 150 hours content coach for content support, access to Bada Business community. Access list of 35 courses: working capital, enterprise, resource planning, ERP, fundraising, human resources, HR, debt management, export import, business automation, team management, negotiation skill, automated payments collection system, risk management, designing effective KRAs and KPIs, inventory management system, IPR trademark, IPR copyright, budgeting, business audit, IPR patent, ESOPs, investor pitch deck, vendor management, lean manufacturing, winning legal conflicts, supply chain management, and many more. Get certified. Certificate of completion signed certificate by Dr. Vivek Bindra to endorse your learning, easily shareable, share on your social media, put it on your website and WhatsApp status, mention in your resume and bio. Build credibility, enhance your credibility in your professional circle. Learn from billionaire mentors. For the first time ever, top industry leaders teach you from their personal experiences. Dr. Vivek Bindra, founder and CEO Bada Business, Value Money, founder Thyrocare Technologies, Rajesh Agrawal, chairman Insecticides India Limited, RS Sodi, MD Amul, Dr. Ajay Sahai, Director General and CEO FIEO, Radhesham, Rhythm Desai, MD Morgan Stanley, Ramesh Agrawal, chairman Agrawal Packers and Movers Limited, Vivek Oberoi, actor and entrepreneur, Puneet Gulati, Executive CEO, Barista Coffee Company Limited, Vikas Gutkutia, founder and MD, Pumps and Petals, Ashish Chauhan, MD and CEO, Bombay Stock Exchange, BK Modi, Chairman, Smart Group, Gaurav Chaudhary, YouTuber Technical Guruji. Subject matter experts with 15 plus years of experience: Vivek Kumar, founder and director, IBS Consulting Jaipur, Monica Singhal, business head, Shadow Facts, Aditi Randev, co-founder, Miyama Ventures, Ravish Singhal, proprietor, Ravish Singhal and Associates, Yogesh Avasthi, risk and financial advisory consultant, Deloitte, Rima Jain, founder, Durgain Legal Advocates and Solicitors, Abha Maryada Banerjee, founder, Success India, Gaurang Bindra, founder, Legal Leo, Ankit Jain, director, W1 Management Systems Private Limited, Rajneesh Singh, managing partner, Simply HR Solutions LLP, Prachi Chopra, founder and managing director, Intellect Bastion, Bhavpreet Singh Soni, founder and CEO, Sonis Vision, Ravdeep Kaur, Deputy Director, IPR and Legal, India Cellular and Electronics Association, Sanjeev Jain, founder, CEO IT Box, Sarthak Ahuja, partner, Sandeep Ahuja and Comdot, Piyush Nagar, founder and CEO, Sixth Sense IT Solutions. India has potential to become a global manufacturing hub, and by 2030 IBEF bulletproof guarantee 48 hours, 100% money back guarantee within 48 hours of purchase, 100% service guarantee, 100% low price guarantee, cashback guarantee on purchase of on any upgrade. Get bonuses worth 40,000. Bonus 1, free access to Business का ब्रह्मास्त्र, your fast track MBA. Bonus 2, dedicated coach for 9 months to support your growth journey. Bonus 3, 10 frameworks worth 15,000 from our iconic leadership funnel program. Bonus 4, get credits worth 20,000 to boost your profile and visibility on Bada Business community. Offer runs out. Total value 2,25,000. Regular price 49,500. Buy now offer 17,999 plus GST.